Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking no hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking no hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Big up yourself, all of the revolutionists them and freedom fighter in the diaspora. For the good work we wanna do. You know, because wanna do some things really depend way. You know, yeah man, not Jamaica, yeah. Because enough people don't even realize, you know, what really have gone. You know, and the destruction where Andrew one is abroad on pan we saw. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Ayada. Big up yourself, talk your mind, not talk for the press. Big up on yourself for no good work, you know, because we're not connected with Mother Earth, Almighty Life and the ancestors, you know, see me. Yeah man, enough of my bridging them where what they are black to, you know, see it. Yeah man, big up yourself, aromatic too. Yeah, all of the warrior them big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, but on a special, you know, yeah man, cause we have connected, yeah, in the work. Long time when in the work I connect, you see me? But Rasta, you see, right now, some of us in Jamaica don't really understand what really are going on, you know? Yeah. We are weak. I remember, you know, I did come and tell them, you know, that the ancestors them say, no, kill the city whoop and I go down too. Because they only can deal with the strong blood, you know, see it, of them grandchildren and great-grandchildren. You know, see it. The warriors say they can't take the weak blood, they have to take the strong blood. And they say, enough of we blood water down. You know, see it, so them sorry for we, because we are going to be collateral damage. You see what I say? Because, you know, all I see, some of the people them now, some of the youth them now in Jamaica, all them is for now is boast about the car where they won, house, you see me, and money, seeing, gun and pussy. Remember, you know, man, you fuck as much pussy as you can when you're young, you know, or when you get old, you know, it don't mean nothing to you, you know. You know, see me? And happiness come through freeness. When you are free, that time you're happy. We're not happy now, you know. You see what I say? Because look at this, we don't make some money. We don't buy name brand clothes and a boss over it. See, we don't drink name brand liquor and a boss over it. Who build it? The same oppressor, the same people who want to get rid of we out of the world. So you think say them are going to send good things come give we a Jamaica for drink, eat and wear? Eh? We not buy nothing from Jamaica again. Everything we come from China, India, and in Europe. You see what I say? We know what demonic power pray over them clothes there and them food there that are come to we and we are eat. Eh? We have the best ganja plant in Jamaica and the whole of us run down blood clot kush where I come from Canada. You think Justin, we are mine out our gold, we give 20 odd million to Andrew Wonis to promote transgender in Jamaica. I go make good weed come to we. You know the amount of chemical to blood clot to mash up on our brain. In a them weed, The Chinese them bring one thing near Mali come a Jamaica. See, ecstasy and all them something there. Them a bring in. And a fuck on our brain. You see what me I say? And that's all on a run down. Show offness. When you say not kill one another, when you say police or the government care, no. Because they want to kill off one another unless the population, because that is what they get the money for. You see me? Now is the time that we should unite youth. Like Abraham Chariot, you see me, down in Africa. Now is the time that we should stand up. You see me? When fuckery are gone, both Labour and PMP come together, no matter which government in, and demonstrate, yeah, for the fuckery stop. If PMP in a power, and them are going with fuckery, Labour right and PMP supposed to join and demonstrate, you see me, show them say, we are strong, you know see it, because we unite. If we divided, we are going to blood clot fall. And that's what them use it for do. Yeah, politics is all about, we divide us, you see me. So we die-hearted. And when one politician, when one government do bad, we say we die-hearted and we not see what bad we do. You see me? But any side do bad, we supposed to sit out and unite together and stamp you out. Like, look how much the other country, look on the European country, them want to see them want to respect. We want to see what them do. When the government fuck themselves, they march and take him out of power. Them no fear, you see me? Because them know them is going to dead one day. So it's better to dead for something more than nothing. Better it's dead to free yourself and your picnic them to blood clot, more than living a blood clot slavery. You see me? All them youth are doing Rasta. Gun, pussy, and liquor. Both about blood clot car when they go down the road, some of them go crash and dead. You see me? See? Both about to a house where then soon blood clot dead left and it going crumble one day to come. What about when you pick no one I get? What about the freedom for the when you pick them? What about the freedom for no woman them? Me not talk about the batty boy them, you know. Because them won't go and mingle in a shit. Me talk about the decent people them. Because when you make the batty boy them a foreign, you see it, and make law for we straight people. Why straight people can't make law for themselves? Why we can't unite? Unity is strength. We've been hearing that from a band come up me hear about unity is strength. With four parents been slaving for over 100 years. And we come now with the same thing I talk about, oh, a different time now, man. You see this thing what them calling the internet? Yeah, it is good, you know. Social media is good, but it a fuck some of our mind. Because enough of you use it for the wrong thing. You not use it for the right thing, for good. You know see it? For uplift on yourself, uplift on a nation. You see me? All the youth them drinking up, boom and rum. I drink up the blood clot, same oppressors them shit. And the skimming off of them shit pit. Make blood clot boom if you don't know. And I don't drink up every day, you get addicted to the oppressor shit. Batman shit. Demon. Oi, let me tell you something. Anyway, shit there. It harbor one shit demon. And him possess you. Him possess you. That's why you can't drink a rum nor any other liquor without booming in it. Because it take all of your body already. No for your belly a hot, no for your chest a hot. You see me? You not feel good. Jamaica is a land of paradise. I go England. And when I go England, I pray if I come back to Jamaica. I count down my days them. Because I find out say a paradise me have a blood clot Jamaica. England no better than Jamaica. They might have the money when it come down here. It might, little enough. But if we did have source of Jamaica where we could have earned the same amount of money we got England go earn. It would better if enough people who left Jamaica and go to foreign country. Because foreign country, bills, left, right, and center under your blood clot. You see me, when you reach 60-year-old, you have to spend back some of the money where you make with pill. Eh? Jamaica, you can live without shirt 365 days of the year, and we make European come and take away blood clot from we through this little blood clot greedy boy from out of Spanish Town Road when near Andrew one is a sell out everything for we. Eh? All you know boast about alcohol, money, gun. You know slap out head back if a boy talk a straight gunshot, marrow fly out and all blood clot. How for marrow fly out? The same poor man to pussy clot where he can't even feed him, can't find a week dinner straight. That's why them not do nothing. You no kill one of them and so much police come for no blood clot right away and kill you no. Eh? The same people who had sent you no go kill you no one brothers and sister. Eh? To prove a thing, and them same one I go kill you no back. Because they don't recognize you as nothing, as piece of trash. As a shit we come out of them body in the toilet, they not even recognize you as that. You wise up me youth. Listen Asha 11, wise up, spiritual connected with the Mother Earth, Almighty Life and the
The Supreme Court has granted an injunction blocking the St. James Municipal Corporation from removing election campaign signs belonging to the opposition People's National Party representatives. In the ruling, which was handed down today, the court also gave 3 PNP candidates, Dr. Andre Horton, Janice Allen, and Alan Bernard, permission to pursue a judicial review of the corporation's decision. Attorney Maurice McCurdy, who represents the candidates, says while the court granted the corporation permission to appeal, it refused a request to put the judgment on hold while the appeal is being considered. According to Mr. McCurdy, if the St. James Municipal Corporation removes any more posters of the applicants, it can be held in contempt of court. The Supreme Court.
Oh, no, go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we, because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in a the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do a wedding call the election. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. So we a tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them